All right, so I'm sitting down right here at the back end of the Sling Studio booth. I'm sitting with Jeff right now. So, Jeff, can you start out by telling us what exactly is this product that you're showing off today?
Sure. So the Sling Studio is the industry first wireless and portable switcher. It's also has integration for as a recorder, as an audio mixer, monitoring system, and a wireless access point. And so it really enables you to have a studio in a backpack and be able to have the portability to set it up anywhere because it's wireless. It saves you hours of setup and teardown, and then the ability to do all the live editing that you want. You can do compositions, import graphics, import videos, be able to do all the different things you want, even instant replay. And then it allows you also, because it records every ISO and program file, you can do post-production. We partner with Adobe and Apple to do the Final Cut and Premiere Pro, so it automatically allows you to import and have everything ready to do editing, simple editing.
And who do you really see using this product the most? I mean, what's kind of your typical clientele?
I would say, sports in general, live sports is the key use case where we see hundreds and hundreds of our customers using it for live sports, broadcasting a football game, broadcasting a baseball game. Just the ability to put cameras in the outfield, to put it in center field for the first time without spending hours and hours of running a cable out there, and putting all four corners of the end zone, in the press box, having a roving sideline camera so that now the audience can see the coaches talking to the players or the players celebrating a touchdown coming back to their team, or the cheerleaders. So it allows you to have this professional network experience watching live sports. But it's also for social. So for example, working with Clemson University, the Sugar Bowl Media Day, having the Media Day where they have different stations in their indoor stadium, and that each player can have a camera on them and roving cameras, working with the USTA, the Tennis Federation. We did the Clemson, the Fed Cup, not the Clemson, the Fed Cup, and we broadcasted the practices with Venus and Serena Williams. We've done things with the San Jose Sharks, doing some interviews. So social is also an important use case. And the third, probably one of the fastest growing, is this sports performance, where you can now have multi-camera angles to give coaching to the players can see that visual, all four different angles, whether it's volleyball work or it's a golf swing, working with PGA instructors to have not only the four different camera angles, but you can have the analytics, like the swing speed and all the application information, and have the video synchronized view at three different angles. So instead of coaching with understanding the swing speed, having the ability to see and show if you swing this way, you change your backswing visually, it's just so much more impactful. And then the last one is about instant replay for referees. The market is growing where it's not just the major sports for professional and Division I that need to have referee replay. Our product allows you to do it in addition to doing live streaming as well. So a lot of different applications.
And some of the things you just touched on are unbelievably impressive. I mean, we just recently saw within the national championship how crucial, the social media for Clemson, for example, is to the fan base. So that is so cool that you guys are involved in that. So lastly, is that really what you think makes Sling Studio unique from the other companies? Is it the portable aspect? I mean, what is it that really makes you guys stand out so much?
I think it's the portability, like you said, but the wireless aspect allows you the freedom to set up your cameras anywhere and to have up to 10 and have them roving. That's just a new experience for almost everyone except the networks, where you can have that in the dugout, on the sidelines, behind the scene. And so the setup is just a few minutes. And so it allows the producers to go anywhere. We're working with folks that are not not the traditional sporting events, but they haven't been able to set up a shoot in certain areas because cabling is just not acceptable. So imagine going to the top of a ski slope a race. Imagine going to a BMX race. Cabling is just not acceptable. So it's not just the ease of use, but it's also allowing them to set it up anywhere. And so the wireless, the ease of use, and the affordability for $1,000, to have something that no one else offers for multi-camera wireless is also, I think, is a key factor, the affordability.
And lastly, before we let you go, for the people that can't make it out to an event like this to see your stuff, where can we find you? Online, social media?
So to be able to purchase the product and get more information, you can come to our website, myslingstudio.com. We have video tutorials, we have video examples of our customers, but you can also acquire the product on B&H and Amazon.
Well, thank you so much, Jeff, for sitting down with us, and we hope NAB continues to go this well for you guys.
Thank you, it's a pleasure.